Okay, in the last video we have discussed about some of the even and odd numbers in an array. Okay, so let us see. We'll see the largest and the smallest element element in an array. Okay, and then we can see the sum of the largest and smallest smallest. Okay, element, or we can see here now. Okay, element in an array. Okay, here element is number. Okay, right. Fine. So I will declare this array. Let it everything is same. Let me remove this because we are not here for the sum. Now we have to see whether it is greater or not. Okay. So even sum I written, and I can say right here. So I say largest. Okay, and here I put as smallest. Okay, right. So now how are you going to do this? Let us see. Now we have these elements. So how to find out the largest element? Let us remove this, and this is say that this is suppose say 9. Okay, and then we need to, so the largest element is 9. Okay, so what we're going to do, first I will say, okay, the largest element of the array. Okay, so the largest element. Okay, okay, and also the smallest. Okay, equal to the I array 0. Okay, the largest and the smallest is I0. Okay, then next what we're going to do, we'll try to compare. Okay, we'll come to compare that if next element, that is this or this, is greater than is okay is okay greater than largest. Okay, if it is like that, then means now largest will become I A R R A Y array. Yes, else, okay, largest becomes larger. Or if I sorry I array, okay, 1, okay, is smaller than smallest. Okay, then we let smallest equal to I array 1. Okay, right. So now we're going to do each time, we're going to do it, and we'll put it, like this. Okay, uh what do you say, till we get the complete array. Okay, so let's go. Now see, if I want to do one important thing, now let element has been created. Now we want to see, right? But we know largest and smallest, we give some equal to 0 and all these things. So that is, we can do this way also, as I explained, largest equal smallest equal either. But if we have to do, then we have to complete this array of completion. Okay, and then after that again you start a for loop. Okay, so let us not do that. So we should, here only we write if la a array of I is greater than our largest. Okay, so now largest will be equal to I array. Okay, sorry. So largest equal to I array. Okay, I. Okay, right. Next, if 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 I have array, okay, bracket होगा, okay, is less than smallest, right? If this is smallest, then okay. So now if this is smallest, then smallest equal to smallest equal to I A R R I A Y I. Yes, and I said that the smallest number is okay, SMALLDS, the smallest, and largest number is okay, percentage D, again slash n, okay, here I put largest, okay, and if you want to find the sum, then you have to write sum equal to largest part small. So let me save it, let me execute. Okay, so okay, now it will be clear. Okay, so let me enter 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay, smallest is 0 and the largest is 7. Okay, now largest 7 you got, but the smallest we got 0 because here we got number is equal to this. Understood or not? Yes. Okay, so large value we can get it, but small value is something which is very difficult because if the number is any number is less than 0 only it is that, but it will come out to be to 0, right? Okay, so what we will do here is okay, first now this is okay for the largest, but for the smallest it is difficult to get. So let us do one thing. Yes, let this entire for loop can come here. One more. Yes. Now let me remove this. So let me enter the elements first into the array. Oh, Control Z. Enter the first the element. Okay. And then okay, you can start with this loop. Okay. Yes. Right. And we can start this from 1. And here I can put largest equal to I array. Okay. 0 and 0 as MARR as smallest equal to I array equal to 0. ओके, राइट, धीरे में जो पहले है वही आ जाएगा. ठीक है, right? Now after that we move on. We will be going on with I equal to 1 1. So 1 is greater than the largest. If it is, then it will be largest equal to I array. Okay, or smaller than it will continue. Okay, let us see now. Okay, now let us put 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now smallest is 2, largest is 6. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So what we have done, we have entered the element first, and then we took the first element to be the largest, first element to be the smallest, and we iterated the loop from the second element to the last of the element. If I of array now the array I, okay, the second element is greater than the largest, so largest is equal to this. Else if it is smaller than the smallest is equal to this. Okay, so I told now what is we want to find the sum of the largest and the smallest. So I can write here int sum. Okay, and I can simply write here, or if I don't use a variable also it is okay. Sum uh, equal to largest plus smallest. Okay, so printf the sum is okay. Is sum. Okay, fine. So let me save it. So let it execute. Okay. All query. Okay. Now let us do. Let us do 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Smallest is 2. Largest is and the sum is 8. Largest is 6. Smallest is 2 and the sum is 8. Okay. Great. Yes. Okay. Okay. Great. Again, I'm executing with other elements. Let's say 2, this is 4, this is 8, okay, this is 16, this is 9, okay, this is 7. Now, the largest is 16, smallest is 4. Smallest is 4, largest is 16, okay, and the sum of this is 4 plus 16 is equal to 20, okay, which we have got. So it's very easy, okay. Thank you.